be around. Me and my little compadre. Buddy, say what's up. No leash on my hand. Sit. Don't go up them steps. Hey, don't get on my damn couch. You tripping. This my new pet, y'all. I got a dog. God bless you. Come here. Hey, don't do it. Come here. Sit. Little boy crazy. Can dogs have ADHD? I'm just asking. Sit. Sit. Oh, you go back in your cage. See how you do me, yo? I asked him if he want to go on YouTube. He get hyped up, but then go back to his cage. This is where you go at when your probation officer tell you to be in the house at a certain time and you just do what you want to do. You go back to prison, boy.